I'll explain what's going on here in a minute, but first watch carefully as I scrub down the stove top to see exactly how effective the baking soda and the lemon are at cleaning it. Now, a number of YouTubers with cleaning channels have done videos on this subject over the last couple of months, and I gotta be honest with you, not one of them has a clue what they're talking about when it comes to this subject. There's a whole load of clickbaity nonsense starting to manifest on YouTube that's giving misinformation and telling people that things are doing what they really aren't. So, well, I decided to set up my camera and make my own video on the subject. This entire process took me about 6 minutes. I wanted to show exactly what is going on here and how effective, or perhaps not effective, this process actually is. So our initial fizzing reaction is basically the baking soda releasing all of its carbon dioxide at once. This chemically changes both compounds into briefly carbonic acid and then pure water. The baking powder is also a bit abrasive, so will have a scrubbing action, but essentially all we've really managed to do is waste some vinegar, some lemon and some baking soda. We would have achieved exactly the same result on our glass stove using some hot water on it instead. The mix also didn't have any grease cutting capabilities. As you can see, the glass is still covered in a layer of grease. Also, it didn't really help remove any of the caked in food residues. What happens if you rub baking soda and vinegar into your stovetop? Not much. I have, however, done a tutorial using washing soda to clean a stovetop. It doesn't matter if it's gas, glass or stainless steel, it'll work for any of them. Click the video here to give it a watch.